Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Now, I realized that in my previous video, I made this website out of code and it looks really bad. Like, it's super ugly and I don't even think you can call that a website. So in today's video, we're going to be making a website that looks like a professional website that you can find on the internet. Now, as you may know, I am using Visual Studio Code, and I really suggest that you should too, because it makes coding a lot more easier. Now, in this video, we're going to be using HTML, so at the end of your document name, you're going to have to put index.html, so it converts your document into an HTML type document. Now, to start off, whenever you're making anything using HTML, you will need to create sort of like the skeleton of your code. And it's HTML:5. And once you click that, boom. Now, if you can't do that and you're not using a Visual Studio Code, then you'll just have to type all of this out and you can pause the video and do that. Now, to save all your work, all you have to do is Command S on a Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to save it right now. So here it says head, and in this area you will type everything that makes stuff appear on your website. Now for my thing, I want there to be a background for this, and just the background alone makes your website look much more professional. So I've got an image here off the internet called 1.jpg. So I'm going to put that in here. So I'm going to type background, click enter, and then 1.jpg. Now basically you want your height to be 1000 pixels, and you want your width to be half of that. So your width should be 500 pixels, my bad. 500 pixels. And basically, right now, I'm going to take it to my desktop, open it up, and it looks so much more better than this ugly website. It already looks so much better. Now up here it says document, and I actually want it to say something else. I want it to say the tech store. And that's because in this video, we're going to be making a website where you can sell tech stuff, where you can make people buy stuff, leave links to, hey, click this link to go to Amazon and buy cool stuff for your desk setup or stuff like that. So that's a really cool website that we're going to be making in this video. Now this is going to be maybe a 3-part video, maybe a 4-part video, because the website we're going to be making is massive. So we've got started, we've got the background done. Now I actually want I've planned this out in my head. You can do whatever you want for your website, but I want it to say the coder here, and then home, contact us, blog, videos, random stuff like that over here. In the middle, I want it to say the tech store, and on the bottom, maybe something else, I don't know. And that's what we're going to be making for this video. Now the code won't be that long, but that's because this is still not an advanced video. It is still a basic video. But okay, so let's get started. So H1 is the size I want, and inside of that I'm gonna do font and the coder. And then after that, there's actually this special thing which I use a lot, and it looks like this. And basically what this does is it makes a space of one space, like if you click the space bar once, it makes that much space between different words on your screen. And it is actually very helpful. Now I'm going to use this a lot right here, because I want to split the coder from home, contact us. I want to split it from that. So I'm going to put some here. This still might not be enough. And then I'm going to do font, and I'm going to do, if you type A only and click enter, you can leave a link and then a word here. So home, and then if I leave a link here, say to my website, as soon as someone clicks home, they will go to my website. So that's something that's pretty cool. I'm actually going to do this for everything. And Visual Studio Code makes it so much more easier. And I found that out. There may be other different apps that you can use, but this is the one that I've been using the most. So after home, there's going to be videos, which I'll leave a link to the video section in my YouTube channel. There's going to be blog, and there's going to be contact us. And here, let's leave the link to videos right now. So I'm going to go to my website, videos, and take this link, put it in there. And let's check out what the website looks like now. There still might be something wrong. Okay, there is something wrong. I messed up on my spelling there. I want to leave some space in between, and that font is way too big, as you might have realized. I'm going to delete all these tabs. So yeah, we have a couple problems going on, but we're going to fix them. So in font here, I'm going to change size. You can actually just change the size. It makes things so much easier. And I'm going to make it 4. Now, I don't know if this will work. Let's just check it out. Okay, boom. It just changed it that easily. And so I'm actually going to make it a bit bigger maybe. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, that is good. Now I'm going to fix my spelling. Boom. Oh god, that was so easy. Well, okay, so we've got that font. We've got all this stuff. I need more space in between them though. Oh shoot, wrong thing. I need this. I'm just going to make more space between the coder and all these other words. Shoot. And as you can see, this pink stuff is really helpful. I've actually, I use it the most whenever I'm coding, and I'm also, okay, boom. We still need more space in between, so okay, hopefully that works. Okay, I made too much space. I'm going to take out like that much. Okay, we need more. Let's see that. Okay, yes, we did it. Okay, so this already looks so much better than the last website, like way better. Now what I was planning to do was in the middle of the website, I wanted to put the text store. That's what I wanted here in big letters. So I actually made much more, like this massive tons of code right here, and in it for the coder, I found this thing online which helps you actually change the color of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into here, and I'm gonna create another font, and this will be a really massive one because it's gonna be the center of the whole website, and it's gonna the tech store. Oh wait, that's size. What is that? 7. And here, the tech store. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. There is probably something wrong with it, but I love fixing bugs in my code. Okay, boom. Yep. We've got a really big fat problem going on right here. So we have to move it all the way down here and then push it to the center. So the way you can put it in the center is actually pretty easy. You just have to type a line and then center. So we fixed one problem, hopefully. No, we didn't. Okay, that's weird. Maybe you have to... Oh, that's why. Oh, it has to be in H1 over here. Okay, here I'm going to do H1. Then inside it, this will go. And then we're going to take this align center. Oh shoot, I forgot to copy it. But right here I'm going to do align center. And in between the font, we do the text store. Save this. I'll take it down here. And okay, we've got the text store. Now all we've got to do is push it a bit more down around this area right here. And I'd prefer it to be white because it's really hard to see the words right now. So, yeah, I'm gonna go here actually, and BR is how you move the words from here and then one down. So I'm gonna put a couple of those. Yeah, that should be enough. Hopefully that worked. Okay, I'm gonna put it 2 more down. So let's see if that is good enough. Okay, one up. Okay, so that's good enough. Now, I want to change the color. Now, originally I didn't know how to change the color, but all you have to do is search up how to change color on HTML Visual Studio Code, and you'll find this, which you just have to copy paste and then put it in here. I'll also put this in the description below so you can just copy paste it. Now, yeah, I want it to be white, but if you want to change it, all you have to do is hover over it, and then you can change this, how dark you want it, where you want the colors to be, and it's that easy. So now the text store, it should look white. Okay, this looks so much better than our previous website. Looks much better. Now down here, I want to add something because it looks like it's missing something. What should we put? Okay, actually, I'm just gonna put here, if you want, okay, yeah. It's gonna be a little sentence that I'm just gonna add down here. It's gonna be H2, and it's gonna say, wait a sec, that's just my class, sorry. And what I'm gonna put is you want to learn how to make a website like this from code. Check out my YouTube channel. And if you check out my YouTube channel, so I put it there, I open it up. Okay, it's right there. I actually want it to be a bit bigger. Maybe like 1. And hopefully that made it bigger. Don't think it should be that small. Okay, yeah, that's good enough. Now I'm gonna put it a bit down. So and let's see if that went. Oh, we're gonna need a ton of BRs, but should work. And here, let's take this stuff, put it in the garbage. Take this stuff, put that in the garbage too. And okay, time to spam VR. If that isn't enough, oh god. Yeah, okay. What? Oh shoot. I'm actually just gonna copy paste. Oh my god, where'd it go? Oh, it went down there. We might actually just finished our website. Yeah, no. Let's see more. Okay, I'm gonna put it a bit higher up actually. I think we might be done our website. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna actually put this in the center, so that's just one more thing we have to add. Align center. Oh shoot, why isn't that working? Oh, that's the wrong one, that's why. I'm bad. I need to put it there. Align center. I'm gonna save that, take it here. Yeah, okay. So we have just, oh shoot, dude, my computer's being murdered right now. But basically, we just finished my website. That is insane. Now, if you want to make something like this, but just changed it up, then that's fine too. It's really, that just took us like a couple minutes, and we just created something that looks way better than that. Like, that's great, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. There will actually be a second part to this video where we will be adding stuff to this, making it more professional. And stay tuned. So see you guys in the next one.